Berberine, the natural weight loss switch Big Pharma won't talk about. What if the key to melting belly fat, balancing blood sugar, and unlocking your metabolism is not in a pill, not in a gym, but hidden in a bitter yellow root used for centuries in ancient healing traditions? Berberine is not just another trendy supplement. It's a powerful natural compound that's turning heads in the scientific community and shaking up the weight loss industry for good reason. It's been called nature's Ozempic. But here's the twist. It doesn't just help you lose weight. It corrects the deep, invisible issues behind stubborn fat, insulin resistance, hormone imbalances, and metabolic dysfunction. And today, I'll show you exactly where to find it, how it works, how to prepare it using natural herbs, not just capsules, and the safest, most effective way to use it for lasting weight loss. So stay tuned. This is the kind of weight loss wisdom Big Pharma would rather keep buried. What is berberine? Berberine is a bright yellow alkaloid compound found in the roots, bark, and stems of several powerful herbs. It's been used for thousands of years in Chinese and Ayurvedic medicine, primarily to fight infections and regulate blood sugar. But recently, science has caught up, and it's confirmed what traditional healers always knew. Berberine is a metabolic powerhouse. Its molecular structure allows it to activate something in your body called AMPK, your metabolic master switch. When AMPK is turned on, your body stops storing fat and starts burning it for energy. Your cells become more insulin sensitive. Blood sugar and cholesterol levels drop. And most importantly, fat begins to vanish, especially around the belly. Unlike caffeine-based fat burners, berberine doesn't stimulate your nervous system. It works on a deeper cellular level. And that's why the results are longer lasting and safer when used wisely. Where is berberine found? Berberine is not made in a lab. It's extracted from a group of ancient healing herbs. Here are the most potent natural sources. Berberis vulgaris, barberry, common in Europe and Asia. Its roots and bark are rich in berberine. Coptis chinensis, golden thread, a revered herb in traditional Chinese medicine, known for its intense yellow roots. Hydrastis canadensis, goldenseal, native to North America, it combines berberine with other healing alkaloids. Berberis aristata, Indian barberry/tree turmeric, used in Ayurveda for liver, skin, and metabolic conditions. Philodendron amurans, a moorcork tree, often paired with coptis in Chinese formulas. These herbs can be found as powders, tinctures, teas, or raw dried roots from herbal shops or online apothecaries. The key is purity and concentration. Always choose organically sourced herbs without fillers. How berberine helps you lose weight. Let's dig deeper. Here's how berberine turns your body into a fat-burning machine. Activates AMPK, the metabolic switch. This mimics the effect of exercise and fasting at the cellular level. Reduces insulin resistance. When your cells become more insulin sensitive, your body stores less fat. Lowers blood sugar and cravings. Stable blood sugar means fewer crashes, less hunger, and fewer binges. Improves gut health. Berberine has prebiotic-like effects, feeding good gut bacteria that support metabolism. Reduces fat storage enzymes. It blocks lipogenesis, the process of turning sugar into fat. Boosts brown fat activity. Brown fat burns calories for heat. Berberine stimulates it naturally. These mechanisms combine to produce results often seen with diabetes drugs, but without the synthetic chemicals. In one 12-week study, people lost an average of 5 pounds and 3% of body fat without changing their diet. With healthy eating and light exercise, the results are even more dramatic. How to use berberine-rich herbs for weight loss. If you're not a fan of capsules, don't worry. Here's how to use berberine-rich herbs in natural, holistic ways. Barberry tea, weight loss infusion. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon dried barberry root, 1 cinnamon stick, 1/2 teaspoon ginger. Method: boil 2 cups of water, steep ingredients for 20 minutes, strain, and sip before meals. Why it works: barberry plus cinnamon improve insulin sensitivity and boost metabolism. Goldenseal and coptis decoction. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon dried goldenseal root, 1/2 teaspoon coptis root. Method: simmer in water for 30 minutes. Drink once daily. Note: Goldenseal is potent. Don't exceed the dose. Berberine bitter tincture. You can buy or make a tincture from barberry or golden threadroot. Take 10 to 15 drops in warm water 20 minutes before meals. Ayurvedic berberis powder blend. Mix berberis aristata powder with triphala and ginger. Take a quarter teaspoon before lunch and dinner with warm water. Yellow circle tip: always cycle herbs 3 weeks on, 1 week off. Berberine dosage for weight loss. Proper dosage matters. Here's how to use berberine safely for weight loss. Berberine extract, capsule form. Standard dose, 500 milligrams, 2 to 3 times per day. Best timing, 30 minutes before meals. Cycle, 3 months on, 1 month off. Herbal decoctions and teas. 1 cup before meals, 2 to 3 times daily. Start with a half cup to assess tolerance. Tinctures, 10 to 15 drops in water before meals. Not for long-term use. Rotate with teas. Always start slow and observe how your body responds. Berberine is powerful. Too much can cause nausea or digestive upset in sensitive individuals. Important cautions and who should avoid it. Natural doesn't always mean harmless. Here are key cautions to know. Pregnancy and breastfeeding, not recommended. Diabetics on medication, berberine may interact with blood sugar meds. Low blood pressure can further reduce blood pressure. Long-term use may affect liver enzymes if taken for extended periods with outbreaks. Always consult a natural health practitioner or integrative doctor before combining berberine with medication. Also, berberine may alter gut bacteria if overused. That's why cycling is critical. So here's the bottom line. Berberine is not a magic pill, but it's the closest thing nature has given us to a fat loss accelerator that works on root causes, not just symptoms. If you're struggling with stubborn belly fat, blood sugar imbalances, low energy or cravings, slow metabolism, berberine might be the missing link. Light bulbs start small. Choose one method: a tea, a tincture, or a capsule. Track your progress for 30 days. Add movement. Be clean. You'll be amazed at what your body can do with the right support. Did this open your eyes to the hidden power of herbs? If you learned something new, like this video so YouTube will show it to more people. Hit subscribe and tap the bell if you want more honest, science-backed natural healing videos like this one. Drop your comment. Have you tried berberine before? What's your experience? I will read everyone. Your journey doesn't need to be complicated, just more and natural. Thanks for watching the Herbal Nexus, where ancient wisdom meets modern healing.